Have you ever wondered how water moves between your blood and tissues? Today, we'll explore the fascinating dynamics of plasma and interstitial fluid movement. This movement occurs due to four key forces at play. First, we have capillary hydrostatic pressure, which is essentially blood pressure. This pressure pushes water out from the capillaries into the interstitial space. Next is capillary oncotic pressure. This force attracts water back from the interstitial space into the capillary. It's like a gentle pull that helps maintain fluid balance. Now let's talk about interstitial hydrostatic pressure. This pressure facilitates the inward movement of water from the interstitial space into the capillary. It's the counterbalance to the outward push of blood pressure. Finally, we have interstitial oncotic pressure. This force attracts water from the capillary into the interstitial space. Together, all four forces create a dynamic equilibrium that is vital for our body's function. Understanding these forces is crucial for grasping how our bodies maintain fluid balance. This balance is essential for nutrient delivery and waste removal. Isn't it amazing how our bodies work?